Do you want to create a background like this? Today I will show you how. Open a project in DaVinci Resolve, then go to Effects and grab Fusion Composition. Place it on the timeline. Go to the Fusion panel and connect a background node to the media out. Then I'm gonna set the background to white. Then let's pick another background and connect it to the output of the first one. So Fusion will automatically create a merge node. Otherwise, you can grab a merge node and place it right here. Now connect the second background. Then we will grab a rectangle and we will connect it to the second background. Now in the inspector, set your width and height to maximum. Go to background and then image. Disable auto resolution and set width and height to maximum. Drag these here and you will see a black square. Then we will click the rectangle and we will disable the solid option. We will increase the border width, something like that 3. And then we can add a transform node. Place it here and select Wrap. We will size down. Right now you can't see what's happening, but dragging the transform node right here, you will see what's happening. We're duplicating the squares. We can add a crop and position it here. Drag it to the view, and like you can see, we changed our screen resolution to default. Now we can drag the media on the view and we can go to transform again. Here a little tip is go to size, edit control, and change here range from 0 to 1, center about 0.13 and steps 0.001 and hit OK. Now we can change the size in a better way, but we have to change something first. Go to crop and select keep centered. So when we go back to the transform node and we increase our size, it will be centered. How do we add dots on the corners? We drag our background to the view. We zoom out, we go to rectangle and add a circle. Then we're going to create another parameter. Right click on the ellipse and go to edit controls. Name this size. Set it to number, put it in controls and set it to slider control. Add it and then go to height, right click and set expression. Same for the width. Now take the plus and drag it to the size. Same for the height. Now you can use a single slider to control both. Set the size to around 0.2 and then place the first circle at the left bottom. So it will be 0 and 0. Rename this to bottom left. Then we have to copy with Command C. Now we have to paste it, but in a special way. So right click and paste instance. Doing so, you will see a green line pointing to the new copy. Now collect the new copy to the old one. Go to the new copy and you have to click center X and Y. Go to the instance. When you change the position, the first one will not change, because when you do an instance, you link two nodes together. So now we can change the position and set the X to 1, and this will be our bottom right. Do the same process for the other edges. Click here, Command C and Command Shift V. Now we have to link them. Go here, the instance, and set the Y to 1. Rename and call it top right. Copy again and paste. Now link them together, go to the new copy, the instance, and then we can put this to 0. Now we have the 4 edges. Go in the media out, drag it to the view, we will see the dots. So if we want to change the grid, go to transform, we can change the size. Let's put it somewhere right here, maybe a little more. Okay. And we can also change our dot size. Go to one of the 4 circles, doesn't matter which one, and change the size. They will be linked. We can also reduce it completely, or maybe put it to be bigger. Another cool effect we can achieve with this is going to rectangle and changing our board like this. And we can also change our corner radius to achieve something like this. Changing the width and the height, we can also achieve other effects. Quite cool, I think. So the only limit here is your imagination. Another cool trick is to go here, add a vignette right here, and we'll see this cool effect. Maybe setting the color to white, and like you can see, we can blur this thing out for a cool effect. That's it for today's tutorial. Let me know in the comments if you didn't understand something. See you in the next video.